Alright, so next we're going to take off the vanity top of the sink. I'm going to keep the vanity, but I want to replace the vanity top. There's a couple of key things you need to remember to do, key steps. Please don't forget. But yeah, I'll show you in just a second. Alright, so first we want to turn the water off. And hopefully these valves are good and don't leak. That's bad. Alright, so once you have those off, you want to run the water. Alright, so we're good. The water came out, but you want to do that before you start taking the plumbing out. That way, if any water does come out, you actually have plumbing to run the water in. Alright, so next, we're going to disconnect the lines for the hot and the cold. I'm going to disconnect it from the bottom because I want to replace these. But if you wanted to reuse the lines going to the faucet, you would just disconnect it from the top. Definitely have a couple paper towels and a container. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to reach into the container before it all drains out, but hey, you know. Again, I like to not make too much of a mess as much as possible, but okay, well, that works. That one's good. Good as well. Alright, so we've got that disconnected. Gotta move those. Oh, now you want to leak? That's messed up. Oh, yeah. Turn the faucet on, and I'll release a little bit of water. But even bigger reason to have, you know, like a mixing bowl or some type of small container is for our next step, disconnecting the plumbing. Always going to be water in the P-trap. If you didn't know, the P-trap is designed the way it is. To hold water in there to prevent fumes from coming back through the piping. Oh wow, that's there pretty good. Okay. All right, that's it. Do that for the other side, and then we'll go to the next step. All right. So now we have all the plumbing underneath removed. Everything's good. So nothing's going to prevent us from taking this top off, except for caulking. So I've already taken this side off as far as the side splash. Now you need to cut the caulking everywhere else on the top. One time, we'll go over it again. And on the side here, you go all the way around this side. This piece is going to come off by itself. We're going to use a crowbar. I don't want to break it because I'm going to turn around and sell it. See if anybody wants it. We'll see. If not, then I'll throw it away. Very easy. All right. So theoretically, we lift up, should be free. Yep. All right, so that's it. I'll get somebody to help me out. Carry this thing downstairs.